So, kakain na tayo mga sis. Let's go! Wala, ayaw mo to? So, they have this cute little buns. They have some yogurt. We're done having breakfast and now pupunta na tayo ng bus. Let's go. Wait. Yung si Lola laging nilakad. Nagmamadali. I'll just get some toothpick. Again, another souvenir. So let's go. Tara na. Dahil pag tumayo na ang boss, tatayo na din us. Let's go.
Please. Pay.
Thank you.
I have one bag for you, okay? 3 inside, 3 inside. Yes.
They're giving free map of China.
And this is your family. Yeah, this is yours.
Salamat.
And then this sleep.
Magkano kayo?
Ayaw, pag sinanong ko ano yung posto ko, mahala kayo mag-explain.
Self-proclaimed.
Beside this all.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like this. Then this Monday too, yeah?
Yeah.
Are
you single ba daw?
What?
Are you single?
In the daytime I'm single. Okay. Yes.
Got some serious visit. Actually, everybody got his own and unique answers. Just in Tibet are Buddhists. Much more importantly, before in Tibet there isn't any school and hospitals. So the temple is both a school and a hospital to them. So if the people in Tibet feel sick, feel unwell, they will go to the temple to ask for the Lama's help. And the Lama will diagnose if we are healthy with one step. Do you know how the Lama to diagnose our health? Through our urine. especially the first urine after we wake up in the morning is very accurate. The lama has to stir the urine of the patients first to see the color, to see the bubbles, to see the sediment. Much more importantly, sometimes they have to smell, taste, even drink the urine themselves to confirm the disease. For example, if they find out our urine is sweet, do you know which disease? Yeah, there is a blood sugar higher. Actually, kidney with our kidney.
Kidney
it's
problem.
A very accurate way. But later, many people in Tibet find out if the lama often drinking the urine of the patients, many of the lama just live to 30 to 50. It's a solution to that. So now, ladies and gentlemen, now let's move up to the upstairs, please, to know more about our traditional Tibetan culture. Okay, let's go, please.
We're upstairs. So si Lola na una.
Grows very slow, very slow. It's a big difference between them. So okay, this way, please, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's.
Absolute. 1,000, of course, peso. 1,000 peso, like this bag. So many inside, you can get 3 bags. Is it clear?
3 bag.
1,000 peso. If you pay in yuan, how much?
120.
120, yeah?
Yeah.
If in yuan, just 120. If you pay in peso, just 1,000. And every 1,000, you can get 3 bags like this. Okay, so raise your hand. Let me know. If you want to order, please raise your hand.
Wawa naman.
Just 3 bags.
Friend, work ka na lang ulit.
Because 1 bag already 400, you know?
Thank you.
Only one. Only one wheelchair. Only one wheelchair.
No need to share. So many. You can keep others, okay? But I still separate 3 for you.
Thank you.
Doesn't matter. Even you don't buy, you have the right to try everything I separate to you, okay? You are my guest. Even you don't spend any money, you still is my guest. Remember this.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Ayoko. Gusto ko yung blueberry.
Okay? Yes. Okay? Please try it. Try it
Pinas
now.
sa Pinas Pastillas.
Wala, mas okay yata yan. Blueberry.
Please.
What's that?
Kasama yung salmon.
Ay, blueberry.
Order one like this only.
A little is because you have to know the
Only
price.
like that.
Thank you.
Because only 2 left, so have to share it, okay? That means I don't want to let you get it, okay? It's food. It's already empty. Try it now. Blueberry.
Hindi, masarap.
No, hindi na. Dalawa na naman sa huwag na, hindi pala masarap na.
Thank you.
Ay, wow.
1, 2, 3. I think enough. 1, 2, 3, huh?
Thank you.
The plum.
Ay,
Plum. Plum.
parang di.
Okay. You do not buy anything. You do not buy anything. No problem. Okay, try it. No problem. Okay, try it. Yeah. You are my guest. You are my guest. You can try it. It's the plum.
Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga
1,000 peso, 8 bags.
lahi.
8.
Kunin, pasalubong ko na lang. So this is a sunflower seed. My Kuya AJ's favorite. Uwi na lang natin. May tour ba tayo ngayon? This is where we're going to eat. May binibenta silang mga ano dito. Food. Talong.
Gusto ko.
Talong.
Yan ang masarap.
La. Talong.
Day, yun sa ni Day. May flower.
Grabe nga talong ni. Oh,
Sa ating yan.
grabe nga talong. Wala, pagulat ko habang to siya.
We're here at another temple. I don't know what temple yet. Yes. Yeah, here.
Oh, yeah. 7 there, 8 here, 9. Okay.
Oy, walang sumunod kay ano. Yan, dahan lang.
呢度有小朋友嘛，用衛生掃碼。發表嘛，其實Here. OK， 好的好的，不对的是吗？
Si Dula mo.
Oo. Tourist guide.
Yes, here and here.
Yeah.
So, don't go away, don't go away.
Don't go
Because
away.
not family complete. Family 4.
La, dyan ka, oh. La, picturean kita dyan. So, pwede kayong mag-rent dito ng kung gusto nyo maging emperor, tapos with makeup. But, I think it's super mahal. Meron din silang trend dito. Ayan. Picture tayo sa ano? at one of their shopping malls. Guangdong Shopping Mall.
Hello guys, masulod ni diri sa mall.
So we're just going to buy some mug at the Starbucks. So happy! So we're just paying. English.
Give you a drink. Yes. What's your name?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Carla.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, please. Thank you so much. Yay. Success. Here is their shopping mall. Let's go. Dropping all the money. Uniqlo. Tarala. There. Awa. Malling. Here at China. Hello vlog. Adidas. Lao, pure cotton. Panty. Ang cute ng mga pambata, oh. Yung mga sis, ang gaganda. Ang gaganda naman ng mga damit nila dito. Pero, naghahanap kami if merong mura talaga. Kasi, puro nasa, ano sila? Nasa, oy. Nasa 100, like, 100 yuan. So, nasa 1,000 plus sa atin ang mga presyuhan nila, guys. Parang isang damit, nasa 1,000 agad. Ganun lagi. Ang gaganda ng dress, oh. I bet, mahal. Vera Moda, mahal yan. Vera Moda. Ganda pa man din, oh. Klase. Vera Moda. Mukhang mahal lang. Yan. Ang daming people here. La, parang katahimik ng ano nila, ng mall. Wala masyadong tao. Sa bagay. Don't know what's that, but yeah. That is their cinema. There. Loklok Kapaken. Tapos, dito yung para nilang ano. Ano ba? Loklok Kapaken. Parang ang dami nilang brand dito ng mga clothings. And in fairness talaga magaganda, guys. Kaso, yun nga. Sobrang mamahal. Mamahal ng clothings. Like, naghahanap ako ng elevator para mamaya mag-elevator na lang kami ni Lola. Iniwan ko siya somewhere na may upuan kasi medyo pagod na talaga siya dahil kanina pa kami naglalakad. So, iniwan ko lang siya sandali para maghanap ng elevator. Sabi, pinagpapawisan ako kahit malamig dahil ako yung nasa CR na. Look, how cute. May ilaw siya. But, alam nyo, ang wrong timing lagi ng ganito ko. As in, Very long timing. Kita.
siya.
Ganda ng elevator. Pero nakakatakot kasi hindi mo nakikita yung labas. Baka mamaya mali ka na ng ano. O, yan na. Kenny Tanner.
Naparin niya kaya ito.
Kenny. Tsuya mo, Ken.
Ating kanong kaya itong
Ang ganda ng shopping mall nila. Ganyan kalaki. Pero, hanggang 3rd floor lang kami na pagod na si Lola Jean. Kaya, babalik na kami. Ganda! So, this is their shopping mall. Sobrang laki, guys. At saka ang ganda. Lawak. Ang dami mong makikita. Yan, shopping mall. 3 building. So, it's already 5:30 p.m. and we're about to eat. We're about to eat dinner. Sobrang aga namin mag-dinner. Last and final dinner. This is where we're going to eat our dinner. Parang may birthday yan dito.
Very soft, very low alcohol percent, you know? Very
Do we have buchi? Buchi.
what?
Buchi. Instead of
Sobrang in love ako sa product na to, mga mi. This one is called Cream Simple Clean and Beauty. Tapos number 1, binigay ng one of our friendship from Japan. So this is the natural cosmetics na sobrang happy ko kasi ang dami kong time ngayon para pahinga dahil ang aga namin nandito sa hotel, nakapag-pack na kami ng things. And now may time pa ako para makapagbigo. Para tomorrow, hindi ko nababasahin yung hair ko. Mag-half bath na lang ako tomorrow. Pero ngayon, mag-shampoo na tayo. Babasahin ko na yung hair ko. Yun nga. And I think, ano ba? Paano ko ba sasabihin? Actually, medyo hindi ko sure. Kasi gusto ko talagang lumabas. Gusto ko pa ma-explore itong Guangdong ng gabi. Or lumabas ng kami-kami lang. Like, syempre, buong araw may tour guide kayo. Parang yung itinerary nyo lang yung pinupuntahan nyo. Pero walang time para libutin talaga yung Guangdong na mag-isa. Kaya, kagabi, actually, ginawa na namin yun. Pumunta kami sa baba at nilibot yung sa paligid ng hotel. And nakapunta kami ng convenience store. And to think na, ang lakas ng ulan kahapon, kagabi, pero sinugod pa rin namin yung ulan. Talagang ulan-ulan kami. Now, mga sis, walang ulan. Pero unfortunately, hindi pa nakakapag-reply yung mga kasama ko kagabi. So, I don't know if matutuloy kami mamaya or not. Or baka dahil nga din, busy na silang mag-pack ng things. And I hope, one of these hours, or mag-chat man sila, go pa rin ako. Kasi sayang talaga. Hindi ko na, this is once in a lifetime. Hindi ko na iniisip yung pagod kasi buong tour pagod. Pero, yun, sana may makapag-reply at lumabas kami kasi hindi ko kayang lumabas mag-isa dito. So, yun lang. Tayo maliligo na. And, if wala naman nag-reply, that's okay. Mag-edit na lang ako ng vlogs, diba? Mas maganda. Cheesy. So, maliligo na ako, mga sis. And, utang ko pa pala sa inyo ang room tour dito sa 2000 Years Hotel. Hindi ko pa siya na room tour, pero tomorrow, I'll promise you, before tayo umalis, maru-room tour natin to. So, bye for now. So, kakasabi ko lang sa inyo kanina na sana makapaglibot kami tonight kasi last day na lang namin dito sa Guangdong or last night na lang namin dito sa Guangdong. And yes, tuloy ang laban. Kumuha lang ako ng raincoat kasi medyo maulan pa rin pala sa labas. Actually, sayang. Pero yan, let's go. Nakikita sa convenience store. Wings. Paanong manok. Chicken thigh. I mean legs. Then thigh. Amazing. Lemon chicken feet. Grabe, ang galing. Pig. Ano kaya ito? Squid. Squid yata ito. 4.50. Ito yata. Ay, try namin. Ano to? Search natin. Hindi makapag-live. That's the Suhai Hospital. Over there. Looking for pang...
Video lang ka?
Yeah, video lang. Mga pastries dito. Wow! Mukhang masarap. Mukhang masarap. Oo nga, nangangamoy. Lots of seasonal fruits. Ay, nangangamoy. Ay, mas malaki to. Mas malaking store to, no? Parang grocery talaga. Baka mas mura dito. Malamig kasi. Milk. Wala yung mga tulad kanina na squid doon sa nakita natin. Dito wala.
Ay, di pa na tayo din sa hotel na tumuli doon.
Meron dito ang street food, yung China. Let's see what's this. This is their kind of street foods with vegetables pa rin. Parang yung ano lang, yung kinain natin kahapon sa buffet.